Morning, children.
Good afternoon,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. I was checking whether
Good
you are.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. After the lunch, before the lunch, and after the lunch maths period. So I am checking whether you are attentive. Have you had your lunch?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
After
So
math.
after the math class only you are
The
going to
math
have.
class.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So children, what
Ma'am.
is 9.3? Compare
Compare unlike fraction.
unlike fraction. So what is unlike fraction?
The fraction. Unlike fractions
Okay, I will ask one by one.
have
Raise your hand. Tell me, who can tell me what is unlike fractions? Yes, Angelina.
The fractions that have the numerator greater than the denominator is called unlike fractions.
Is it that? You are making this.
Can I say? Can I even say?
Yes, I mean.
Numerator
Okay,
greater
children.
than the
Okay,
denominator.
Angelina. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, I'm
Can
asking. Yes,
Ma'am,
Ayman.
not same denominator.
I'm asking Ayman. All others. Wait.
Ma'am, I told improper fraction.
I didn't ask improper. Did I
fractions
ask improper? Yes, Ayman.
Ma'am, you
I
asked unlike.
denominators.
This
Ma'am, the denominators are different.
Different. Okay, like this many problem will be happening in maths because after writing the exam only they say, oh, okay, I thought this question. So improper I didn't ask, proper also I didn't ask, mixed fraction. So that's what we have written in the notes, but I'm asking now like and unlike. Like means fractions with the
Fractions that
same
have same
denominators
denominators
are
are
called like
called
so
like
different
fractions.
denominators means
They are
Unlike
called
fractions.
unlike fractions.
So compare unlike fractions. How we can compare the fraction with
By
different
LCM.
denominators?
Have the same denominators. LCM.
First, we have to make like fraction. We have this unlike fraction means the denominators are different. So we have to make the denominators same. That means we have to make the denominators like the fraction like fraction.
By
Fractions.
LCM. By LCM.
You can find by LCM.
LCM.
And, okay. So LCM also least common multiple. In the last period, we were discussing about HCF, highest common factor.
Common factor.
Make the fraction in lowest term.
Lowest term.
Make the fraction in its lowest term. Here we are going to compare. Compare unlike fractions. So if we don't know the denominators, if they are different, it's very difficult. So what we'll do, we will make the denominators
Improper.
same. Denominators same. That means the fractions are like fractions.
Fractions.
Then we can compare the numerators. Then we can find out which fraction is greater, which fraction is lesser. Okay. Now tell me what is improper, Angelina?
Yes, ma'am. In the improper fractions are the fractions that have the numerator greater than the denominator.
Okay, numerator greater than denominator. So that we will discuss in our, I think 9.4. Yes?
9.4.
4 or maybe in chapter 10 we have discussed that one.
Ma'am,
Okay. So we will please take out your page number 20 and 21.
Yes,
Compare
ma'am. 20 and
unlike
21.
fractions.
Compare unlike fractions.
And I told you another method, how to compare the cross multiply. Do you remember?
Multiply.
Cross multiply. Cross multiply and see which numerator is bigger, which numerator is greater. That also very
Ma'am,
easy method.
ma'am, we will find it by the answer that we get from it, and we'll keep it in both the fractions, and which is bigger, that will be the biggest one.
Okay, I didn't understand anything. But if you have any doubt, please tell me.
My microphone sometimes it will be like.
Is there any doubt for you?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Then we will start. Isha, question number 1. Page number 20, question number 1. 9.3. We are now revising, comparing unlike fractions. Compare unlike. Okay. Question number 1.
The fractions 4 by 6 and 7 by 15 are dash fractions. Option C, unlike fractions.
Because here children, the denominators are different. 6 and 15, they are different. So these fractions are examples for unlike fractions. Okay, unlike fractions.
I read second question?
I will say,
Ma'am,
let
can
me
I
see who
read?
didn't get chance. I will choose those. Okay, children. Now, let me see. John Sebi. Are you, do you have the book with you, John? Any network problem?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I just joined. No.
Okay, so I will give you chance later.
Ma'am.
Now, Adinatha,
Book 20 and 21.
Yes, ma'am.
question number 2.
The fractions 1 by 11 and 7 by 11 are dash fractions. Option B, like fractions.
Like fractions, which is that denominators 11.
11.
Both the fractions have same denominator.
Same
So this is called,
denominators.
these are examples for like fractions. Okay, Blesswin, question number 3.
Yes, ma'am. The fraction of 4 by 6 and 2 by 7 are dash fraction. Unlike fraction.
Unlike fractions, again the denominators are different. Okay, now next one, children, when we do comparison, you can cross multiply and tell which fraction is greater. For that, I think there is no need of writing in the rough book. Yes, if question number 4. Yes, Fia.
Okay, ma'am. 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. Answer is C.
Cross multiply and tell me 2 into 3. What is 2 into 3?
6.
6. And 6 into 1?
1. Sorry, 6.
6. 6 into 1 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. So 6 is equal to 6. That means if the cross products are equal, the fractions are equivalent fractions. So we can write they are equal. Okay. Now next one. Who's going to tell me now? These children, Amanat, are you there? Why this video is off?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Simon.
Can I take another headset?
Yes. Amanat, are you there? Okay, so question number 5. Devak. Question number 5.
3 by 7 dash 5 by 14.
3 by 7 and 5 by 14.
3 by 7 is bigger.
So 14 into 3. What is 14 into 3?
42.
14 into 3. 42. And 5 into 7? 35. So you know 42 is greater. 42 is greater means which fraction is greater here? 3 by 7 is greater than
3 by
5
7.
by 14. So please take out your rough book. I will give you questions.
Okay,
Now
ma'am.
small questions we can do like
Ma'am, we can do it by cross
multiplication.
multiply.
You can do cross multiply. You can write which fraction is less than, greater, or they are equal. Okay, compare. Less than, greater, or equal. Five by 9, 3 by 4. Question number 1. Question number 2. Write in your rough book. Two by 7, 3 by 6.
Ma'am, finish.
Children, you can do easily by cross multiply. Yes, Anandesh. Can you see the answer of question number 1?
Yes, ma'am.
Which
5
fraction
by
is
9 is bigger.
5 by 9 is bigger? So I will check with the cross multiply here. Okay, 5 into 4 is 20. 9 into 3 is 27. So which fraction is bigger?
3 by 4. 3 by 4.
Okay, children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
3 by 4, right?
3 by 4. So when you do cross multiply, if which numerator? Look at here numerator. 5 into 4 is 20. 9 into 3 is 27. So numerator, this is greater. Or which method we learned? We can find out LCM and multiply and find out. Okay, here, what is LCM? 9 into 9 and 4. LCM is 9 into 4, that is equal to 9 times 4, that is equal to 36. Why? Because 9 and 4, there is no common factors. So 5 into, you will make 5 into 4, 9 into 4. Here what you will make?
4 into 9.
4 into 9.
4 into 9.
Okay. So what is 5 into 4?
20 by
36.
27 by 36.
27 by 36. So which is greater?
27 by 36.
27 by 36 is greater. That means 3 by 4 is greater. Is that clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Anandesh, any doubt?
Ma'am?
Anandesh, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No. Did you say that answer?
Ma'am, I said 5 by 9. It was wrong.
Okay, that's what I asked. Now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next question, Adil. Question number 2. Adil?
Ma'am.
Can you say question number 2, 2 by 6 and 3 by 2 by 7 and 3 by 6, which is greater?
3 by 6.
3 by 6 is greater. Okay, let's check. What is 6 2? 6 2s are 12. 3 into 7 is 21. So which is greater? 3 by 6. Yes. Correct. Yes.
3 by 6. Yes,
Yes, ma'am. 21 is bigger. So 3 by
21 is
7,
greater
3 by
than
6 is
21.
better.
Don't tell like 12 and 21. The numbers are different, but the means the digits 1 and 2. 12 and 21. Check clearly. So 21 is greater. So fraction 3 by 6 is the greater fraction.
Next question.
Can I give you another question?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, please take the same question. Compare 9 by 11, 18 by 22.
I'm finished.
Ayman, can you tell me the answer? You are sitting in math virtual A minus B and okay,
Yes, ma'am.
cos alpha, tan alpha. Your virtual background is very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can you tell me which fraction? What about here? Less than, greater, or equal?
Ma'am, 18 by 22.
Ma'am, equal.
I'm equal.
They are equal. So children, here we can use another method also to make the LCM. See that 22 and 11. How we can make a LC, least common multiple. You can multiply by 2. Here also multiplied by 2. So you know 9 into 2 is 18. 11 into 2 is 22. That means 9 by 11 and 18 by 22, they are equivalent fractions. They can be, how you can make 9 twos are 18, 11 twos are 22. Now, if you want to do that cross multiplication method,
Excuse me,
how,
ma'am.
yes,
Ma'am, if it was like 1 by 1, it is a whole number, so it is 1 by 1 fraction.
Excuse me.
And compared by 2 by 2. So how we will, when I look the same.
that they are 1 by 1. No need to write 1 by 1. Any whole number can be written as fraction. How? With a denominator 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Yes, who is
ma'am,
calling?
if the fractions are equivalent, they will be equal.
Ma'am.
Fractions
Ma'am.
are equivalent.
They will be equal.
The cross products.
Yes, ma'am.
So children, here we do like this. Now I'm going to show you cross. Tell me 9 into 22. What is 9
Equal
into?
to 198.
198.
Okay. What about 11 into 18?
198.
Okay. 22 into 9. 9 twos are 18. Again, 9 twos are 18 plus 1, 19. So here 198. Next one, what we will do? 11 into 18. 11 times 18. 1 into 8. 8 into 1 again. 1, 1. So 8, 9, 1. So if the cross products are equal, that means the fractions are
Fractions are
equivalent. Equivalent means
equivalent.
we can write they are equal to symbol. Okay. So this method here, cross multiply, the numbers are big. So easily we can do, how we can make this like fraction 11, how you can make 22, 11 into 2, 9 into 2. So you will get 18 by 22. So that means they are equivalent fractions. So they are equal. 9 by 11 is equal to 18 by 22. So this is about, okay. Now I will give you one question. Here you have to do the LCM by using, find out the LCM which have common factors. Okay, find out here 18 by 36 and 12 by 16. Children, here 36 and 16, they have common factors.
Ma'am, what should we do?
Compare less than, greater or equal to. You can cross multiply and find out, or you can find out the LCM, then make the fractions like fractions. (18 by 36 and 12 by 16, you have to check which fraction is greater, which fraction is lesser.
12 by 16.
12 by 16 is
12 by
less than or
16
greater?
greater.
Greater. Okay, we will find out. So you are saying that 12 by 16 is greater.
12 by 16 is the greater.
So you can do
12 by
cross
16 is the
multiply. I will
greater.
show you two methods, cross multiply method and finding the LCM. So here 18 into 16. Have you completed that?
Yes, ma'am.
What is 18 into 16?
Ma'am, 280. And 280.
280?
No, ma'am.
288.
Ma'am, yes, 280.
So 18 into 6.
288.
Okay, we'll check.
8.
6 plus 4, 10. Then here 8.
1 8 are 8.
So we get 288.
88.
288. Okay. Then next one,
432.
36 into
400.
432. 432.
2 are 12. We will check. First I told you we will discuss two methods. So when we are doing this method, we can check this and we will come back to that. We come back. So what's the answer?
432.
432. So which is greater? 432 is
32.
greater. So that means 36 into 12, that is greater. So this fraction is greater. Which fraction? 12 by 16. So next one we are going to find out the LCM method. LCM of 36 and 36 and 16. Start with it. Yes? No. What? Gautam? Did you ask me something? No. Okay. So when we start here, we will get 1, 2. Here A 16. A 2s are 16.
18 and 8.
8. Again we can
Then also
divide
2.
2.
So 6 and 4. Then also we can 2. Then 3 and 2. Then we should divide 2.
LCM is 144.
So here 2 into 2,
Yes.
4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 3 into 3, 9. 16 into 9. 108. Yes? LCM is 1.
LCM need to make 1 1, right?
Huh?
108.
If you do this also same. Okay. Instead of here, it is here. Same. Okay. So 18 by 36. By which number I should multiply to get 108? I should get 108. 36 times which number?
Ma'am, 6. 64.
6. 18 into 6.
Ma'am, 16 into 9. Ma'am, 6 into 9 is 54.
So 36
Ma'am,
we
you're
have to
OT.
make.
Ma'am, 144. 16 into 9.
Ma'am,
Okay, children.
144.
Children, here the LCM is 108. So we want to make the denominator same 108. So check 36 into 3.
Ma'am, 6.
Once, so it can be multiplied by 3. So what is 18 into 3?
144, right?
54.
54. So 8 3s are 54. Okay. So 54 is the fraction equivalent to 18 by 36.
Ma'am, LCM is 144.
Yes, ma'am. 144 LCM.
Yeah.
144.
Yes, ma'am. 6
Here.
into 9 is 44.
Okay. So by which number you multiply to get 144? Okay, 144. Yes. Then 18 into 36 into which number?
36 into 4.
4. 36 into 4. So what is 18 into 4?
18 into 4 is
72.
72 by 144. Okay. What about here? 12 by 6. How you can make 144 multiplied by which number?
16 into 9.
16 into 9.
16 into 9.
16 into 9.
9.
So what is about 12 into 9?
108.
108 divided by 144. Okay, so when we do this method also, we can see 12 by 16, that is equivalent to 108 by 144, which so the fraction is 12 by 6 is greater. Okay, so when we do both methods, when we do cross multiplication method and LCM method, the answer is the same. That is 12 by 16 is greater. Okay, children, did you get the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
can
ma'am.
we do quickly 9.4?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, time
Please
is
take out page number
125.
27.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, now time is 125.
125. Till which time we have? Till 1:30 we have now.
Yes, ma'am. 130. Only 5 more minutes.
130.
5 minutes enough?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Enough.
Enough. Okay. So children, what is add and subtract unlike fraction? So no need to discuss again what is unlike fraction, what is like fraction. You know, like fraction means same denominator. Unlike means different denominators. Okay. So we have to add. So like the same method we compared. We had to make the fractions like, then add the numerators. So 2 by 4. Here first one. Manu, read question number 1. 2 by 4 and 1 by 4. Page number 27. Who got the page? You can read faster.
2 by 4. 2 by 4 and 1 by 4.
Which fraction is
Bigger.
bigger?
A.
A. 2 by 4 is greater.
Bigger.
2 by 4. Because the denominators are same. What we will do? We will look only the numerator. Okay. Now children here.
Ma'am.
Question number 2. Yes, Gautam.
4 by 5.
2 by 4.
By 4. So 4 by 5 is bigger.
Bigger. We can do cross multiply. 4 into 4, 16. 5 twos are 10. So 16 is greater than 10.
Can I, Angelina?
Yes, Angelina.
1 by 36 dash 4 by 36 greater than
Which is greater than?
1 by 4 by 36.
What about 1 by 36 and 4 by 36? So which one will come inside? Is it
4
less
by
than or greater than?
It's 1 by 36 is
Greater than.
1 by 36 is less than. 1 by 36
4 by
is less than
36.
4 by 36. So children, 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute.
Next question.
1 minute, 1 minute. So here we will not be able to complete everything. So we will discuss what the common factors, what we noticed in chapter 9.3 and 9.4. In 9.3, we were comparing unlike fractions. Here, add and subtract unlike fractions. So what we had to do, you had to make the denominators same. Okay. So in the last class, we discussed how you can make, by finding the LCM, we can make the same denominators. Then what we will do, we will add only the numerators. Denominators we are not doing, adding. So the same way we can do subtraction also. We will find out the LCM, make the denominators same. Then we will subtract only the numerators. Okay. So next one.
Ma'am, can I read? Ma'am,
Yes, Nandita. Others, please mute. Nandita, unmute. Read question number.
The sum of 5 by 4 and 3 by 2 is option B, 11 by 4.
Okay, so children, here look at the denominators 4 and 2. So we cannot do directly add the numerator. So what you had to do? You had to find out the LCM, least common multiple. So here 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 2, 6. So 6 plus 5, 11 by 4 is the answer. Understood? So when you want to add or subtract, what you have to do? You have to make the denominators Same.
Same.
Okay, Anthony, next one.
Yes, ma'am. 8 by 3 minus 3 by 6.
Ah.
13 by 6.
So how you got? What is the LCM, least common multiple?
6. 6.
6. So
Yes, ma'am.
8 into 2, 16 minus
16
3.
minus 3.
Ah,
13.
that will give
13 by
13.
6.
But the denominators will, there is no change. You have to write this, there is no addition or subtraction for denominators. You have to do. And yes, children, understood? Okay.
Yes,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.